time. Hello, my name is Max Fosh and I'm here today at the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Heritage Centre, and I'm going to be taking on some challenges, and I'm going to be going up against this guy. He's a man who has engine oil in his blood. He is the mechanic.
We're going to be doing a pit stop simulation today using the Einhell impact gun. So we'll start by taking the wheel off. So pushing in until you see that the nut comes loose. To take the wheel off, you're going to stand here and just pull and get it out of the way. Then for wheel on, aim and push it on. Make sure the direction is shuttled across and then you're on.
And time.
So do you want to give it a go?
Yes.
Okay, so I've set the wheel gun for you. That's it.
We're engaged.
Ready, I'm going to count you in. 3, 2, 1, go.
No!
You might have to go a bit more.
Oh, sorry.
Come on. That was really good. 12.1.
Oh!
I think that's not bad.
You are so screwed.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, don't let it roll away. Oh, no.
Oh, it was good, it was good. It's 4 seconds.
Oh, dear God.
So you did a good job. Unfortunately, not quite as impressive as the mechanic.
Yeah, I did think that. But there is another challenge, and that is where I come alive. So, Mr. Mechanic, best of luck. He's such a good sport.
Good.